Hey there, future investors. Welcome back to Inside Investment 365. Today, we're diving into the world of investing with none other than the legendary Warren Buffett. If you've ever wondered how to start investing and make your money work for you, you're in the right place. Stick around because I'm about to share 3 simple rules from the Oracle of Omaha himself that will set you on the path to financial success. Whether you're a total newbie or just looking to brush up on your investing skills, these rules are so easy, even your grandma could follow them. So, let's get started. Before we jump into the rules, let me ask you this. What if I told you that you could invest like a billionaire with just a few simple strategies? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, buckle up because we're about to make investing as easy as pie. And who doesn't love pie? All right, rule number 1. Invest in what you understand. Now, this might sound like common sense, but you'd be surprised how many people dive into stocks they know nothing about just because they heard a hot tip from a buddy at the bar. Buffett believes that you should only invest in businesses you can explain to a 5-year-old. If you don't understand how a company makes money, why would you buy its stock? It's like trying to cook a gourmet meal without knowing what ingredients you need. Yikes. So, take some time to learn about the companies you're interested in. Read their annual reports, check out their products, and understand their business models. If you can't explain it simply, it's time to move on. Moving on to rule number 2, think long-term. Buffett famously said, "Our favorite holding period is forever." That's right. Investing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a marathon, not a sprint. When you invest, you should be looking for companies with strong fundamentals that will grow over time. Think of it like planting a tree. You wouldn't expect it to grow overnight, right? You need to water it, nurture it, and give it time to flourish. Don't let short-term market fluctuations freak you out. Remember, Mr. Market can be a bit of a drama queen, throwing tantrums over every little news item. Stay focused on the long-term potential of your investments, and you'll be much better off. And finally, rule number 3, have a margin of safety. This is a concept that Buffett learned from his mentor, Benjamin Graham. Basically, it means you should buy stocks at a price that is below their intrinsic value. It's like giving yourself a safety net. If you're investing in a company, make sure you're getting a good deal. If the stock price drops, you want to have a cushion to protect your investment. This way, even if things don't go as planned, you've got some room to breathe. So, before you hit that buy button, ask yourself, is this stock a bargain? If not, it might be time to walk away. There you have it, folks. 3 simple rules from Warren Buffett that can help you navigate the world of investing. Invest in what you understand, think long-term, and always have a margin of safety. Easy peasy, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. And hey, share your thoughts in the comments below. What's your favorite investing tip? Let's chat. Thanks for watching, and remember, investing is a journey, not a destination. So let's make it a fun one. See you next time.